it's Mindy Brouse here, CC FE Director. I just want to go over the the symmetry, line of symmetry, or mirror image lessons for drawing fine arts. Okay, so we talked about using the White House, and we're going to still do that, but remember that the first thing you'll do is ask them if they have heard of mirror images or lines of symmetry. See if they have, and then you'll start demonstrating. You'll say a mirror image is when it's the same on one side as it is on the other side of the line. And you'll say, for example, if we have this, a mirror image would be this. It would not be this. That would not be a mirror image, right? It has to be the same on each side of the line. You can also start out by drawing the line and then showing them that these are the same. Okay, so you do a few examples, however you want, of whatever you want. And then, like we talked about in tutor meeting, if you want to bring, for the younger students, bring a block that is like a trapezoid and put it on the piece of paper. So let's say that's on the piece of paper, and then tell them to flip it and then trace that. Then when they pick it up, they'll see that it's the same. So you're going to go over that first and talk about it. And you'll remind them that we are just learning the basic parts of drawing. We are not trying to create masterpieces, okay? So, mirror image examples, all right? Then you're going to talk about the White House, all right? And you're going to show them this picture, this drawing of the White House drawing, and then ask them, where would the line of symmetry be, or where would the line that shows the mirror image be? And you'll ask them to all guess, if hopefully they don't say here. But if they do, just hold a pencil and say, okay, well, is this the same? Is this the same? Is this the same? No. And then hopefully they'll figure out this right here, okay? That on each side of this line, it's a mirror image, all right? Then you're going to show them that they're going to draw their own White Houses and practice mirror images. You'll have this in there in your classroom to show them. And this is just a part of American History part. You can show them, hey, do you guys know what this building is? Do you know what this building is? Let them guess. The younger students may have no idea, but who knows? But then tell them, these are both the White House. No way. Yes, ask them, how can that be? See if they can figure it out, because it took me a while to figure it out. Actually, Wikipedia told me. This is the side of the building that is north facing, and this is the side that is south facing. I did not know that, so I learned that. So you'll show them and tell them we're going to do north facing White House drawings today, all right? So now what you'll have in your class will be, you will have half pictures, okay? Now, for the older students, you do not have to use these. If you want to just use the drawing paper and walk them through, you can. And what you would do is you would start with the line, say we're gonna draw this center part first, and draw the triangle, and then the rectangle, and then work through there, okay? But for the younger students, and if you want to use this with everyone, you can. This is your decision, okay? You're going to say, we're going to start right here. So if we have this drawing, what does it need to be like on the other side? They can use pencils for this. There will be black markers in there for to use when they're done. But in pencil, they can draw the triangle. And you'll walk them through. Just say, okay, let's first draw the triangle. All right, and then you'll say, oh, I see a rectangle. And you can remind them these are oils. Then they have a rectangle. And then this has a little triangle again. And just walk them through each part of that. And then say, okay, what's next? What do we need to do to make it exactly the same? Then they'll draw this window and this window. Say, okay, what's next? Okay, we need this. So they'll go out and they'll draw the two lines. Okay, now remember, this is not supposed to be a work of art. This is supposed to be teaching them the parts of drawing. All right, so you'll just do that all the way through to the end. All right, when they're done, they can draw some bushes and trees around it if they want and color that in, okay? If they want to do it, if you have time and you want to do a second drawing, I will have a south-facing White House in there for to use also, okay? But you may not have enough time, especially for the younger children. All right? All right, I hope that helps you guys. Thank you.